My neighbor's fixing his roof and look what I got in my tire. Let me show you how relatively easy these are to repair yourself. So what you want to do first is you want to grab one of these tire repair kits. They sell them on Amazon and they're only about $8. I'll have it linked in the description below. But it's pretty well got everything in the kit that you need to repair a tire. I'm going to show you a couple of shortcuts, make it a little easier. But it's got your tire gauge, it's got a reamer tool, it's got this tool here for inserting these pieces here that fits into the nail hole. So the first thing we want to do is just verify that it is leaking. Just use some soapy water in a bottle. And the best thing to use to get a nail out is a pair of needle nose or a pair of side cutters. And now mark it before you take the nail out. So let's get prepared before we take that nail out. So grab the T-bar and grab one of the sticky guys in these packages here. They're really sticky, so you have to pull on this package, yank it out, and then take it and kind of squish the end flat and work it back and forth. You see it just kind of pushing itself through there. And then give it a pull until it's halfway, and then slide it down towards the bottom. So once we pull the nail out, you're going to take this reamer and put it in the hole and go back and forth. But this takes up a lot of energy. These things are a little hard to use. I guess if you're on the side of the road and it's an emergency, it works great. I find it's much easier if you get a drill bit that's pretty well the same size as the reamer. It works really well. So the one thing that this tire kit doesn't have is a little bit of tire cement that you can put on the end, and that helps to lubricate so that this slides into the tire nice and easily. So what I found that works really well is just plain old silicone. We're going to put a little bit on the end of the tool here and it'll help it slide right into the tire. Okay, now we're ready. We've got our drill, we've got our T-handle with the plug inserted, and we've got some silicone. So we want to make sure our tools are close by and handy. At this point, it's a good idea to wear safety glasses. So go in until at least half of the plug is in, and then when you're ready, just pull it out with a quick jerk. And then just trim off the excess. And then one more last check. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the little bell button to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.